Top 5 Future Predicted Incidents by Simpson Cartoon Show. Hello, this is Rose. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and get the first notification on more such updates. The Simpsons, an American cartoon TV show, started on 17 December 1989. This TV show was predicted more than 25 incidents that have come true in the future. In this video, I will show you top 5 such incidents. Number 5. Nobel Prize winner. This is the first episode of season 22, where some children of Simpson's family are betting on who will be the Nobel Prize winner of economics. There is a character in the middle of the scene. He is holding a paper in his hand, and the name written on it is Bengt Holmstrom. This episode was published in 2010, and in reality, Bengt Holmstrom won the Nobel Prize in Economics in 2016. Number 4. US Ebola outbreak. We all know the Ebola virus was very popular in 2014. Now watch a scene of an episode of this cartoon series where one character of the cartoon series gives the other character a book to read, and the title of this book is Curious George and the Ebola Virus. On the front page of this book, there is also a sick lady. The shocking part is this episode was published in 1997. Number 3. The God Particles. In 1998, Season 10, Episode 2 showed that the main character of Simpson, Homer, wants to become an inventor, and that's why he goes into a lab and started doing activities like scientists, standing in front of a blackboard and writing some mathematical equations. That time no one paid much attention to mathematical equations and enjoyed the show. But after 14 years, a shocking thing came out. In 2012, scientists discovered the God particle. More shocking is that when the mass of this God particle was calculated, the result has come approximately the same as it was written in the mathematical equation in that episode. Number 2. Donald Trump's presidency. In 2000, Season 11, Episode 1 showed that America's president has become a man and his name is Donald Trump. Even the face of this cartoon character is very similar to the face of actual Donald Trump. In this scene, this politician is coming down from an escalator, and interestingly, after a few years, the actual Donald Trump moved down the same escalator while performing the same actions in the same dress that had been shown in the Simpsons series. Number 1. Football scores. There are many episodes in the Simpsons series where the score of the football was predicted. Even the Football World Cup score was the same, which had been shown earlier in the Simpsons cartoon series. Thanks for watching. This video is sponsored by RTS Supports Limited. Please share your reviews and ask if you have any questions regarding this video in the comment section below. We will answer you shortly. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos.